Hi Virgo, I'm Anisha and you can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com. Two major shifts this month, Virgo. One is a Neptune shift and the other is a Mars retrograde. I'll talk of the retrograde first since it's affecting your workspace. Now, a retrograde, whenever it affects, it's affecting your work sector, and whenever it affects your work sector, it tends to slow things down quite a bit. And Mars, being a planet of energy, vitality, enthusiasm, being able to push things forward, has slowed down a bit. And you've had this energy with you since November 2011, and you've been just full of beans, and you've been zipping about, and you've been getting your things done. You've been meeting your targets ahead of time, and just full of self-confidence, self-belief, and you've just been feeling very good about yourself till about December. And starting Jan, especially where your work is concerned, 23rd of Jan with the Mars retrograde, it's just reduce the pace, so you would be feeling a tad frustrated, you would be thinking, why is it that I'm pushing so hard, and being a Virgo, you're like the perfect executionist, you like to cross your T's and dot the I's. So for you, it's like all about hard work and get it done, and why is it not going up, and so on and so forth. So it's the Martian retrograde is just asking you to relook at your plans, whether you need to be refining it. The retrograde, even though it is not a great place for a lot of us to be in, but it's really a breather of a sort, so it actually encourages you to sit and think, and that you may be wanting. So it's a great time. Have a look at the things that are there in the pipeline for you, that you want to get them done or that you've already done, and work well with the energy, Virgos. It'll benefit you. The second shift is the Neptunian shift, and Neptune is going to be affecting you, in a way that you've not felt for years. And Neptune has moved out of Aquarius after 13 long years, wherein we've had the Aquarian age, with a boost of internet communication, your radios, your telecom, and everything has just sort of, shot through the roof. And this time when Neptune finally leaves, and it moves now, and it's moving to Pisces, which is its home sign, it's affecting your how it is that your values, how is it that you see yourself, how it is that you relate with people, how is it that you deal with people. So no longer, Virgos, are you going to be very I wouldn't say happy, but you're not going to be satisfied with the way that things have been. You're going to be asking a lot of hows and whys and why nots, and should I be doing this at all? Does this add value to my life? Am I adding value to the other person's life? Is this really required? And so on and so forth. So it is not really going to be accepting things at face value. You're going to be digging more deeper. You're going to be questioning a lot, which I think another thing what you're going to be noticing about yourself, and this the Neptunian energy is there with you till about 2025. So it's a pretty long time, and though initially it might make you a bit uncomfortable, and that's with any large planetary shift. Whenever a large planet shifts house, it takes a while when you get used to that energy. I love to think of it the way that it's trying to sing a new song. So initially you just hum along because you don't know the lyrics, but by the time that you've heard it 10-20 times, you can just sing it with lyrics and all. So that is what any planetary energy, getting used to it is. So by end of the Feb, you'll be good to go. So and very creative. So if you're in the education space, you will be looking at Maybe theater as a means to teach children. So it's a lovely energy really to have. Just a word of caution for you, Virgos. Around the end of February, say about 20th or so, be careful about sharing a personal information at workspace. It's not really required. So whether there are problems at home or with a spouse, or you have a credit problem, you are having a little bit of a, you're in a bit of a financial spot, don't talk about it at work. It'll just have a boomerang effect. So just be careful about what you share at work. So that's it for me for this month. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next month.